Hello clickers! My name is Maria Shandorova from Infinity, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install Forms on your server. Forms is a self-service Qlik input extension. It is already certified by Qlik itself as a trusted extension. And what you need is only this automated next style installer here. You will receive yours right after filling the form on our web page. Okay, let's do it. Please notice there is a link to the technical documentation available online. It contains important information about the installation process, upgrading, configuration, usage, and much more. After you read the license agreement, you should choose Install Location. It is the path where config file and all related technical files will be stored. The upgrade of Forms is done in the same way as the installation, by using installer. If you are upgrading, you can choose whether to keep current configuration and current certificates or not. In the next step, you choose the data location. By default, data edited by Forms is stored into XML files in this folder. If you will use only database as data storage, the folder is irrelevant for you. In this case, please let the default folder here. Now select the port for Forms communication and insert your license key. If you don't have any, you can request for trial key. After you click on the button, you will be redirected on our web page. Please fill empty fields and submit the form. If your server is offline, please send us an email with your request and this computer ID. We will then send you a license key via email. And this is it. When your installation was successful, your folder for technical files should look like this. If you have any issues regarding the installation, do not forget about the online documentation. Most common problem is using custom certificates. If it is your case, go to configuration section. And now check whether Forms has been installed right in the Qlik Sense app. There it is. Welcome, future of data analytics. Right after the installation, your Forms is ready to be used. Properties of the object will be described in the next video. There is no other tool or console for managing your Forms objects across your Qlik environment. It is done by using Forms admin app that has been created during the installation as well. More information about this app will be also in the next video. Enjoy Forms!